Catch Nana Jai Jimmy. Nana Jai Jimmy no. Catch Nana Jai Jimmy. No cry in our Ghana can be. We shouldn't have any kind of dominance of some kind of ethnicity who wants to dominate all the time. There's some kind of dominance that comes with certain people that more than be our nonsense is that.
Nanka me cast a prophet Kofi Oduro, ne seminal ne trend, na be nim ta kwa we ye until enra Kwame Nkrumah tikese asa be henya asem no ama media des wa o masa aso Kofi Oduro mu e twen na boss be wan chire mu no akire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mesra say ni die o be like video no ada mo subscribe button so be click the notification icon no latest updates na be chire wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section mesra so oba so adwa share for so enya bi ahwe Prophet Kofi Oduro so Penyah bi Ghana ha no in fact enipa bebre na abona to especially Asantehene no any MPP for o ma bona to hope pay because obeka 2024 ye kwa abatuo mu ana video bi ba ya every Prophet Kofi Oduro na so ye awaka se nana jai jimi no
nana jai jimi no. Catch Nana judge me. No cry in our Ghana can be. Canogre and Guasi Adeno Hoya. Canogre, Janguasi Adena Hoya. Pachirano da judge me. Da judge me. Da judge me.
What I say? No. Enipa ni bi bo Kofi Oduro eto ho pay enipa bi bo ne to ho no na busia obekai akwaba no ba keye ana Kofi Oduro bi address ye na ne his submission no na asma kan no o kan no because na o kan say ye nyina ye nkan humomu ye nyai na me ye we ni na me free ha no but how was he put ye no o kire say ye onkofo wa Ghana ha no mo no je say o mo say o kire say o mu na Ghana ni ayi o mu dia enye wo mu a ene enye obi a what kind of nonsense is that just say
there are 52 languages in Ghana. All of them deserve their language to be printed anywhere. All of them. They deserve that. In Frafra, Dagate, Dagare, Sisala, Kontunkuli, Nanumba. They all deserve. We shouldn't have any kind of dominance of some kind of ethnicity who wants to dominate all the time. Fairness, equity, that's the gospel of Jesus Christ. Treat your brother well and fair. What you don't want us to do to you, don't do it to your brother. Simple. You are not the only people who will always be receiving attention. That is not Christianity. More, there's some kind of dominance that comes with certain people that be our nonsense is that everybody deserves the attention also. It's sometimes interesting, you know, what the Bema could have been fierce or the papa. First question, offering
statement no and benefits ebube any activity fear and to come fear that others here ana uhemu obi a yeta oko odu busuani ode oba Kofi we say we do free here e Asantehene na kan for na we say na oba e we hye nkwa ofiri here e go for as more kind na e stray bullet to Asantehene no ana busuan eno a Kwame Nkrumah tikese e be opin floor no oba kan bi kire Kofi Oduro
Ipacho mumma Kofi Oduro asonte se what Asantehene where they were goofu big time.
Oh, Nana Samu.
Yes. Meanwhile, we are Kwani Asantehene. So politics now we are your politics in Pastoral. Akwaba no Asantehene and the Kobo woman Kobo Kotoka International Airport. So what they? If you fret to giddy, you know, one person as and the Quacono, Yao which was so common at that room, and I'll be preach you, Hano, Pamanco with you. Radio Nanya be a knack, I'll be 1.7.
Ana abotre.
Enya abotre.
Oh.
Ono so nya abotre. Adai. Enna akwa abanu pa cho asantefo nko na eka. So kwa wuntintini efifi woni de wanum ayenim no de be a. Adai. Akwa abana asantefo nko na eka. Awo ha wani eti kasati asantefo no. The opportunity on the radio so no ye de ni. Akwa abana asantefo na eka. Asantefo nko na eka. Wo kasa no wo ye kwawuni no wo nka bi. Do baby and some fun kwakwa.
Hey.
All in the name of religion.
Ana semfun ina bem.
And some fun mem.
Hey.
And some fun mem.
Ajebreo.
No.
Okay, FM. Once.
Enyame sam na wo kan no eno ne asantefo na ade yesi waso dem won. Akwa abare ne de kobo ho. Me ba cha akwa ababunu fo nka bi.
Omuka.
Akuapin fo nka bi.
Omuka.
Achim fo nka bi.
Omuka.
Krobo fo nka bi.
Fantefo kan bi.
Fantefo ka bi. Wo ye kwawuni. Kwafo ya asantefo. Eti chese die na eye wahiya wo ya. Wo satan wo bi fa ho bai. Mon kan kire no kan bi chasa nfo eso be ka bi a kire no. Won fra sante a won kwafo amon kan akwa ba.
Kwafo kan.
Mfifire ti wa wani abeye. Asantefo ya ka kire say ye be lord over bi.
Na tell me
asantefo no percent ye lord over all the people. But ya ka say ye be president na di mo fa me.
Na me biteo akwa ba.
Ade be so nsam no. Na wo the station na akasa so do akasa so Nigeria ni dia on. Kabi kire ye be kabi a kire wo. So for Kofi Oduro. Enya adwobre bia. Ade.
Na akwa ba iba ye.
Akwa ba ye ne asantefo na de kobo.
Na me po me ka say in recent times ekukuru ye no still asantefo insist say ye mane mo we ye.
Ye fa mo be. O pa te koba alabasta ho. Te kote akwa aba no. Fa koba alabasta ho. O pa te Kofi Oduro o pa te koba alabasta ho. Obi anso okuma ho. Adai obia mana no so asantefo kame ani me pepa ne sesa obi lord over obia ene ka ha hu prichie no ja ne ko bia alabaster radio
Okay, FM.
se ni bia nya bia na bia ne ko bia bi
0.7.
adai say asantefo ne pese lord over all yi yasraw ye kabi ye je be kabi a kire wo na ko ni
There was a comedian, I'm going to stop it, but a comedian swore. As you said about his room, and just
There's some kind of dominance that comes with certain people that enyewa more than enyo what nonsense is that.
O for the talk when you man papa bint now. Ana nyame dwuma no enso. Ena adentina wa say ethnic group back ye no say eno de enyo no anyo bia obuofu no say okra so de mo no gyina yo say enye wa so enya ba bia. Wona ujana na opiti say so say enye wa so de mo enya ba bia. Masa ubetimi ni bibia di agro mfa masante ni agro. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Opa hu kura twam. Me kam mam funda ka say offense say ububofum because say me yasante opa hu me twam. Ojina wa efre no sosofo wonye nyansasem bia nka won puppet say jimisem na wakeka. Nyanto ba say ne tie brofo na waka no. Masa sa wote brofo ye tiki aye di yetwi ne be cheche wo kwase brofo no jawo waso dem o kaka no. Ene no first and last ujina puppet na o preachi unyankopon na wona wode ne chere sori ma no preachi fa no preaching fa asante ho da mi to nyame obodin no opa akwase dem ye 100 days fasting I know the care so one kasa nyansasem mo e be ka jimi se ba kire wo ada ne ana mu bi masesesa mo de mo e mo sam de mo freedom ka de mo pesa mo ka bi na be kasa twitwi no ka no ojina o ka kasa twitwi pa e kasa twetwe won te brofo me ka kire ena ethnic group wo ha on be so mo ye on say enyo mo anyo obia be me no asantefo ne ka say enyo mo anyo obia na ha fio ko no masa me say se wa anya onya medwuma ni ya ba be kan adua kire o ewu o ye nyina be wu me ma me kra ko wa jimiana o France of money na na unya medwuma na kra se me be no o be online na ka se eja ma ko ana o tiri so ne se wa nyanya sasem bia nka mfa santen wa medimi asem bana nyanya sasem bia kra you better keep quiet na ka so fu de o gira do mani ma wo ya sore de ade we fa be de we odi ya wo kasa pa wo bada mana.
There are 52 languages in Ghana. All of them deserve.
Prophet Kofi Oduro. Papa, Giulemu, one share a dear fe, a bay old time. Baby, I put a corner, a honey, hot true. Gratitude. So when young girl for my piano grass already, I'm not so boom. Your phone a boom. Now the was some bar Santia when you who's now no Bible, no Mike, no crowd, and no Bupreko Zoom. May catch it all. This time around, you know him. Yatina say, we say Ghana for your Mbuapayo. Why am I doing say Asante and big cassette Asante? And she said, oh, yeah, Buapayo, the do be at Tama, yes, will be from moving to Funia, where so dear. What said that from Kuma? Miss Murphy, I say, we'll drive up, but them leave you to my infant. And was I made them with credit on this, I have a cock or chip or them. I mean, with some come about them saying, Kofi Oduro. Send no Cassan, no one, no tea, massa. Wait, my idea, I say, no one say, no movie, and no red, by the Belgian. Wait, now, bones, some my men Cassaman country. Now, some Cassa. And money, we money, tia, Santia. One Cassan was already a grabber two, who prefer because of baby. Juma di baba be doing because we bu ho nka wo bie wa no ka sentia asante e o se wa nyanko forma a o munni munyansa o madwemu o hara kogu a wo bu o muntimi so yo bi ho o mani so na ayo bi na e mu bi na yenim se mo zan krofo ma no munni obi amayo nti papa se wonya bibi krofo ma na didi o mu ho mia wa no na hye ho what ne ofa wa sema putu mu asante wate
kwasia chiri kwasia jimi chiri jimi sofo a wa jimi pa e wo Ghana ha e ye Kofi Oduro akanfo ana ama wade wo ho ka wo dem ya akanfo sika wagege asori a wo mu no akanfo pa ne wo mu kese ba wo mu so na wodi wo mu atam me say wo me di watam sa me no de be fi so sa because what jimi on kanyansa sem se wa fa ewurade but me mo hu se sa jimi ni nko hu kora bi na atem didie kasa wo kire no wa atem didie eno na ema me kan wasem no wo kasa no wodi ntitimu ni mpapa mu ba sabi ebia wo yere ontimi nkanyansa sam kyerɛw ba me di nyansa ehwe otrim akanfora na mo tete ho na mo jimi no a wo ka jimi a mo wia mo ntimi nkan kyerɛ mo empanimfo gu asɔre da mu nyina na wo asɔre empanimfo asɔfofo di okyere o mu nyina o mo jimi because kombe ka kyerɛ se papa kasa ya wo ka no entwa yie wa jimi so me se jimi ni yam se atim wo yam atim e wo yam timato bentoa me de bro wo yere reta won fansawo wa jimi ya che Kofi Oduro wa jimi o man no yempe basabasa o man no yempe tribalism wa jimi fiti MPP tam so sa no wa jimi san wa kana ense NDC ba ye nyina no wo cheda ntimi kan NDC ho asem papa afedi tribalism akanfo doso go wa sori dem o ka wo dem nyina ya akanfo sika no agege na ade akoto kwa champagne adwuma be na wo betimi ma sika akoto sa aka wotu o ye po wo ya zan de o ka nyina no wo wi asa agba po
Achimota forest wona ade wo mko ne sika na akɔgye firi wo emire bi wa am ayi wo sɔre manapo wo so bi pe protection ni ade ade a $100 ni ade ade no mbetuatua nyina wo de kɔ yɛ dai wo sɔre so ana wo se twa wo mu kasa fin kasa tantan atemdidie me say Malachi chapter 2 verse 7 also for the yes so kura nimdie efiri so ye nyame nsi anamu wa asase we ese so di so kasa esa abotoyam ni petimi ti wo ho ase ebuto wo yam wo di arechichire nsemfa ma wo na emum enya atemdidie wajimi ntimema wo yere wankasa wo yere asaw wo yam nye wo yam bon ti na efiri wanu mu ba no because the kom nipa mu no enwu nipa hu fin the pie firi nipa mu no ene gu nipa hu fin to yam bon kwasiam pani we gina ho preach na akogina ne to a etanko a mframa nko a wajimi ubo hu diam de be yo me no mienu na anytime bia be ka dimi wo wa soro diam member be gina me ba be di watam Kofi Oduro ugugu ni nase no wo ka dimi wo de ntokwa opesu o kreti ntokwa de ba wo ma we mu nam so so wo be ye program se program no be raise fund aya kofa ukromufo so mu megina wonti uwie na raise fund ya Kofi Oduro nyam be turaka na kan ni bi asante ni bi discover ma woji
ebu a me wo ma asofo wonti no I will address you as a pastor, but you need to choose, say, when you're software and also you're a politician, then we will know how to deal with you. What kind of sorrow who chrome phone kwani go? Huh? The body of Christ, church. Now they try back. Have you forgotten people under you? Huh? And then a moon person, when you're a politician, let us know. When you're a politician, let us know. Some of us are trying hard because according to my yawano, yenim way, we all move, we live, we work, and some of you are the main problem. And you're also for him for, and your politicians say way more. Then, haven't you done enough as a pastor? Huh? Haven't you done enough? Unkwana when you are politics more na. A dear bonena a can food mubiayo. Wo cry akasakra ufrikwe. A dear pa na santinia yo. Aren't you ashamed holding a Bible? Na me ya washa remember. Me say anka me ye did that drag you any account person. Ewa wasoro. Me nya sure so wadwin we pay mudo. Nyame nipa. Come on. Aya account for ne sabe yiskamamo. Utu who preach with Peace FM. A wine station I go preach. You can't even open a station on your own. Kasa do I hear cry and be a preacher or what? Sorry. From now on, we are going to treat you as a politician. So just be ready.
People who are able to tell us, Jai Jimmy.
So Penyah for annuity, or say we need people that would be able to tell us Jai Jimmy, no. So I am going to look to Prophet Kofi Oduro's face and use the same words that he finds so convenient in delivering the holy word of God in the presence of the members na ya wakano. Jimini those words now. If he finds those words very convenient in delivering the word of God, I am going to be living within the confines of the same bracket. Now deliver mention and person catcher. Now, assemble no can let's go and listen to Ninsma with the church members concerning this whole Obake and Akwaba stuff. Alright, so we all heard what the man said. A group of people be sorry I say they be no pet dominance, they be no pet some receive attention. Yenim because our conversation we buy no yenim someone crying for the PA can say yeni aye who said the we want to be under the spotlight for attention. I say yeni dominating cry hona then they blah blah blah. We know. Ti say ujina dominim na say we suffer na o can say me say ya. Prophet Kofi Oduro yenim bebia seven previous a o chiacha o panodira na emu bi da bia ye ka say ko na ya na mo wura so na ya na machia mo pano obi asisi nye wo ko ni mo. Prophet Kofi Oduro, we don't give a hoot whether you like or hate us. And no, a wow cup of tea, it's your own right. But it is instructive for you to know, say, once udi domanim as a shepherd, you must be endowed with wisdom. Wisdom in delivering your message. And yes, I said, uti waya shine say UEFA Champions League trophy no. Echese we nimnyansa
Wisdom and relevance do not reside within the confines of shouting and farting simultaneously when you are preaching. If you say preaching at bro, papa, we nyanyan sasem. We are so for wujina domenim. Who say one sort of one wujina na a hockey to a bit to say aye, ubi single room na, u preach microphone. Your church is mixed up with different people from different ethnic or tribal lines. So it's instructive for you to know say what some now work kind in a manner that would not kind of disparage or disrespect one group whilst you seem to please another group. With a common sense. And yet there was why the one I was in Ubenya Santini be as now kind were decoding in a way I made decoding on. And that person wouldn't be happy. And you are talking about dominance now. What dominance are you, Papa Sofo? And you be the group of people now you sought to kind of make them happy or make them pleased with one some now can Obi abejo more relevance ana. Obi abejo more attention ana. And Obi abejo more dominance ana. Obi abeje. Are we to blame for Oma say Omo deciding intentionally to place premium on the colonial master's language, speaking English with their children at home, whilst we rather decided to speak our Twi dialect? Omo describe it as in Krasifon. Are we to blame for that? If they've killed their own dialect and have buried their Ga dialect, let the dead rest in peace. We are not to blame. And speaking about dominance and the fact that a certain group win at the bias on predominance, no, would you know what sorry them when I will preach in the Casabena Deka? Which language or dialect were you using or have you been using in preaching or delivering the word of God to your people? As Mbisane said, is it not hypocritical on your part to be speaking about a group always seeking dominance, but in your own church, no, what the Kasabakuna preaches are Kasabakuna dominating in your preaching? You are speaking about the fact that a certain group always seek dominance, a certain group always seek relevance. But in your own church, no, I have never seen you preach in any dialect apart from Twi. Bro, from the thought that once in a while, be no can be a friend. Banka, what can you say, no? Thank you, who saw them crying so preach kakra, or channel the house say preach kakra, or channel the Dagbania, any other dialects now they can, but in your own church, no, Twi has been dominating in all your delivery. So, are you in any way trying to tell us, say, once you saw my Twi, I take dominance in your church, and because what come a pain, say what you're a croboni. So, how beautiful would it be, say, one day, Baba, sorry, not Sunday sermon, or Kasa or Krobokasem. Krobos a part of their dangbase. Tinen kwaba be kasa in a dangbe kasa bia winim. Ye watch repon, ye wo kwapem kasa wo ho, ye wo mfanti wo honom. Then kwaba be kebi sehwe nzema, no ba be kebi. And no bema ye mu bia ji wedi say, oh, in your church no, you are not only kind of always preaching in one particular dialect, name diverse dialect and we use and until you are not seeking to make one dialect relevant or dominant. Ufie wa woten unya ho ho a e a wo ka wo ba ke ana wo ka kwaba. Da bena in your own church. Okwa sorry Sunday and any midweek service who preach here Bible text and quotation and scriptures are you projecting projecting in Ghana and in Chepon and in Nzema and you brofo. So where from this hypocrisy from you? Where from this misguided principle from you? Where from this double standardness from you, boss? Where? And funny enough, you spoke about innovations. Say, and then go for innovating man. Prophet Kofi Oduro, what have you personally innovated? Well, yeah, no, I innovated. Who innovative shit that won't actually marry us that what? Apart from the shouting and the farting you do simultaneously, who preach out here, that's what you from a found group. Ediana, the other way, won't actually marry us that. Papa, so when you nyansa no nyansa netraswa, translate your wisdom in expanding your church. Why sorry now? A muketketis will be single room no. Expand it. Let the alabaster ministry or whatever you call it no. Expand it. Let it grow. Tobe, Debiana did this auntie. Be say, a young mujimudi never better someone else. Me debate obi tise wo prophet Kofi Oduro nka me de beko konti and I come on mako shija man metie power night because once ma udra ha wo kan wo gyanya me mani mu kanya me asem utimi di atem you see disparaging comments from Penyah na jai Jimmy and people will be clapping for you. People wouldn't see it as disrespect. But say me gyina hey if I use those words obi baba be gyina ha abetro comment section as I say me muade but this man has been insulting using words Yentimi nyusu on Penyah anim before no one congregants, and you guys will be clapping for him because or a prophet touch not my anointed. Maybe some song for the manufacturer me. If elements like Kofi Oduro more time be my santia, ya come from time memorial as a more time no enkokoto ya temo blah 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 nina enkokoto. It said the odi for me bag, you know. It said the odi pin e was so na so no enkokoto. More time they say mumu makoma no so be pai because we are what we are. Nye ne boy e ho sa nyame ne boy sa. You people mistake our confidence to be arrogant. Enti ya bone say ye de ehunu ya asantefo na we are always kind of espousing what we have, telling the world and all and sundry how proud we are as Ashantis. And ya bone. And don't say mistake. Ye kan ye twi a ye bone ye nkrasefo. Ye tra ye kumasi ye krase. Ye ba akra ye nimbie ye besike ni bie. Ye obibi ne dan na dia ye huhu. What is your problem? You people, what is your problem? You must rather sit down and do self-introspection and say, what is wrong with us, not the Ashantis? Yaka, because Ghana, whether you people like it or yes, we are the most influential tribe. Yaka sana moka, about 85% of Ghanaians speak our dialect. Chi. All Ashantis are Akans, but not all Akans are Ashantis. It's fact. Yansu yankwane region yakasa eba akope. Chi. Asa. Young quiet kasa ne can beyond the boundaries of Ghana. Asa on tiasa for Tibodium. Nasoya Santinina Sabapawi Asoya, you are very stupid. Unapologetically. We are Santinina Sabapawi. Ninsimi, what are certain and answer, wouldn't answer. Because these are people are deep down in their hearts now. They have this hatred for Ashantis, but they can't speak out. Onia kukudro, we need chest medicine. Onia kukudro, behind one tiatiamun, you don't have the balls. Let's send Cabo Edin. Then Keshe. The next time you feel so persuasive, the next time you feel so motivated, the next time you feel so intrigued to say, come and cast some of these reckless insinuations on us. No, say your social media so your highways so your searchlights the top baby. Over suddenly 6:30, 6:31, Ubenya reply. I remember very, very well how you stood before the presence of your congregation and shared a story of a man that was traveling with the name Osei Prempe, even though the man wasn't called Osei Prempe. And because you used the name Osei Prempe, it opened doors for the man. Were you in any way trying to create an illusion on the screens of your congregation's mind? Say, Asantidi Osei Prempe, Uyusua, Ebia Ponomau. Were you in any way trying to create an illusion? Be said, Edia Santanasa Santefo Dino, Edia Modu, Edia Precious. Were you in any way trying to project a Santefo Ana? Were you in any way trying to disrespect the other tribes by projecting the name Osei Prempeno? Midibesia, but only to add by saying, say, if you are speaking about the fact that a certain group always seek dominance, a certain group always seek relevance, bra, papa, prophet, Jai now the preacher was already them on. Start speaking in the dialect of your wife, Dangbe. Start speaking in Nzema, Eve, Nina Kasa Waganaha, Dagbani, Kanin never near. Why? Near who's a was already them on. You are not trying to put one tribe at a position as a omumum relevant. You are not trying to kind of promote one dialect ahead of the others. Near who's all no kafo.
Over to Acharawaje, Amame, Ewa comment session. Penyah Media, Agra.